Hi, I'm Mike and welcome to Scoutadelic, and surprise, because it's Monday, I'm Mike, there's a microwave, and this is a mug, and today we're gonna do a mug French toast. Simple. Something to wake up to. So what you'll need is either 1 to 1.5 slices of bread, you'll need some butter, some eggs, some milk, some cinnamon, and if you want, a drop of vanilla extract. Okay, so first of all, you need some bread, like so, and you just need 1 slice, and what you're going to do with that slice is you're going to cube it up. Ta-da! So there's your cubed bread, and then what you're going to do is you want to put a tablespoon of butter in your mug, and then you want to pop it in the microwave for around about 5 seconds, and then swirl it around the mug. So there we are, my butter's in the bottom, so I'm just going to pop it in the microwave for around about 5 seconds. It doesn't need long, and then swirl it so you cover almost most of the sides. So you should have some butter to just swirl around the sides. Don't worry if it's not all melted, you know, you just want to just glaze that over. And then what you want to do is you want to add your bread into the mug. And there we are. So you don't want to fill it too much, but you want to obviously have at least it closer to the top there. Then what you're going to do is in a separate, so either in a separate mug or in a jug or something like that, you want to do the following. You want to add 1 egg, then you want to also put in 3 tablespoons of milk. Then you want a sprinkle of cinnamon. So a sprinkle of cinnamon. There we go. And then finally a drop of vanilla extract, though you don't need it. So just a drop, literally just a drop. There we go, that should do it, I think. And then what you want to do is you want to just stir it all together. Then what you're going to do is you're going to pour all of that on top of your bread, okay? So make sure it covers every bit of bread there, every bit there, like that. And then wait for around about a minute for all the bread to soak up, obviously, your liquid that you've just poured in. What you could do in this minute and tidy up, you know, just smell nice though. Then once your minute is up and it's kind of, you can see most of your bread has soaked up most of the liquid, then what you want to do is you want to pop it in the microwave for around about 1 minute and 20 seconds. Now obviously if you've still got some runny egg, so you can obviously see that by, you know, tipping your mug, then what you could do is put it in for 10 seconds at a time, keep on doing that until it's all sorted. Then what you can do when it's ready is pop a bit of maple syrup on the top, just a little bit like that, and it's ready to eat. Here we go. Okay. slow on it, because if you've guessed, you know, all the other times it's been hot. Mmm. 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 Really nice. It's really tasty. I've never actually put cinnamon in like French toast before, so it's really nice. And the syrup, oh, really does its justice. Oh, it is absolutely gorgeous. So if you want to try it, then don't forget, you know, share it around. If you've liked this video, then don't forget to give it a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, because we've got more things like this and everything else. And above all, I'll see you again soon for maybe one of this, maybe something else, who knows, but I'll see you again soon. Bye.